once again. Just like Paul said, thank you very much, Mr. Fofana. I will start my thanks with you because you have really delivered to our expectation. So we'll say thank you, and we hope that all that we have learned here, it's not going to stay here, but we will take it back to our various offices, and then we will be able to train and then use these Excel, the spreadsheet that he has already taught us. So I'm begging you, let us not just leave it here. When we go back to our various offices, please let us try and use this. That is how we will learn. If you dump it here, at the end of the day, we will not be able to learn. But we will say thank you, and we will not only thank you, but your colleague too, Musa. Musa, thank you, because we have been disturbing you, calling you to come and help us. So we say thank you. We say thank you to your team that was providing us food. The food was nice, so we say thank you too. And to the GRA management, we say thank you, because we are only a few of the finance team. So if we are selected, then it's a great achievement. They expect a lot from us. That is why we are selected. So we say thank you to the GRA team, especially the finance unit. That is our director, the deputy director, and everybody here present. We say thank you and thank you again.
Sorry, Lamin, just 1 minute.
Okay.